everybody, welcome to Moto. Today we're going to try to install these LED lights for the license plate to get it nicely illuminated so that we can pass safety. Check it out. Okay, so these LED lights each have a red and a black cable, so a ground and a 12 volt. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to mount them on where the bolts are, run the cables to about here somewhere, and then at that point I'm going to have these splitters that I've made with bullet connectors right about here, so that then they connect, and then I'm going to just run two cables, a red and a black, kind of following along down drive shaft, and then tucking up and going into here. And then here we're going to plug into the 12 volt for the rear light as well as the ground. And that's going to be it. Pretty straightforward. So I just need to measure how much cable I need, install some bullet connectors on one end, plug it in here, route it, measure things out at that point, put some bullet connectors there, and then electrical tape wrap it, zip tie it, and we're good to go. Okay, so I have the black and red wire with the bullet connectors on this end. I'm just going to plug them in here, and I have them coming out through there. I need to essentially route them, but the idea is that they will sit along the drive shaft and then come up as close as possible and be connected there. So I'm just going to plug them in, electrical tape them, just they're one unit, zip tie them, and then bring them up to the top where I will connect the rest. Cables are nicely tucked in, plugged in, the wire is pulled behind, zip tied down here, then here, and I'm going to put another zip tie up top just to bring these guys behind. And yeah, we're going to have the two red, two black. So let's zip tie this up like this and start working on the LEDs. Okay, and I have the wiring for the individual LED. This will obviously get electrical tape and tucked away. And that's what the LED looks like on the back. And when we turn on the lights, we have nicely illuminated. So we have two of them. They will all be illuminated and legal. So let's wire the other one and wrap things up. Okay, we have the other LED light wired in as well, and when you turn the light on, it's illuminated. You can definitely tell the license plate, which is great. So I'll have to do some electrical taping in this area just to make sure that things aren't exposed. And yeah, that would be it. So that was it for this episode. We got the LEDs on the license plate, so that we have an illuminated license plate now, which is important for safety and getting the bike certified. So pretty much we're ready for safety. The only thing that I would like to do before I take it is change the clutch. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when your videos become available. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching. See you next time.